I'm currently doing my sister's project that she asked me to draw. You want to see? Here. Tapos ko na siyang i-draw. Yan. And I'm currently kukulay. Yeah, it's a simple art. I'm going to make it a comics. So later, I will make gagawa pa ako ng cover. Tama na yung English natin. Dahil napapagod na ako. And I think meron pa namang other way to improve my English aside from speaking it with you. Nakakapagod kasi like so hard for me. So let me tell you guys ano yung story behind this one. So ito kasi yan. Ito yung una niya. Yan si teacher. Si teacher, she asked her students to do a photography. Ayan, where ito yung mga student yan na nagkakwentuhan about sa project na gagawin nila kay Miss. Don't you think that it's okay? Bro, may kamukha talaga siyang cartoon character. I don't know who. Ayan, si teacher, she asked her students to do a photography. Alam niyo sa school na may mga photography contest. Ay, mamaya pa pala yun. Basta, she asked her students to do photography. Kaya there's a camera na may stick. Pwede tinuturo yun. And then, the next, nababa naman niya, ito yung students niya. She has strippers, pictures. Nakapagod mag-drawing yung maraming students, no? And I want something detailed. So, ito yung mga student niya na pinagkwentuhan yung assignment or activities na pinagawa ni teacher. I will name her Anna. This one will be Ben. And she is, I don't know, Julie, Karen. Parang pangalan ng mga classmate ko. Pero definitely it will be Anna, I'm so sure. Then, ayan. And the next page, ito na yun. So, ayan. Ito si Anna. I will make her hair brown. Para meron tayong pagkakakilanlandian. And ang subject niya is butterfly. Which is yun nga. And she's currently in the park. Brown. Next slide. So, ayan. Ito na yung kanina nating mga students. Parang hindi na to si Ben. Parang Lucas na ang pangalan nito. Yan. Iba na ang dress nila. They're not wearing uniforms anymore. She's wearing, she's wearing pants. And turtleneck ba to? T-shirt ba ginawa ko sa kanya? Hindi, turtleneck. Wala pa ako napipiling color ng turtleneck niya. But definitely, she has, I think, blue pants. Maybe nude turtleneck. And she has bags and cameras. It's camera. Ayan, she also has another camera. See, she's Anna because she has sunglasses. Next. Let's zoom out. So, yan. Fourth drawing. Itong fourth drawing natin. Ayan yung tatlong students kanina. And they're on the same location. You see. Same background. Minus the butterfly because of course you know it. You know it already na. So, this is Karen. Sorry guys, napagod na ako sa mukha niya. This is Ben and this is Anna. And they're all have their cameras, which is yan, yung may black dots, yun, wala pang black dots. Pero later, pag line ko na meron. Ayan. Oh, she has sunglasses again, which is Anna. So, you guys visualize it na lang. Anna has brown hair, ponytail. She has ponytail, brown hair, and the glasses on, white turtleneck, nude turtleneck, and blue pants. Ben has, I don't know, maybe blue pants or black pants with red. What? Pero I'm so sure that I'll make her hair dark. And for Karen, her hair will be blonde. She has bangs. And a dress. Oh no, it's not a dress. This is a big skirt. Yellow. Skirts with... No! Let's see na lang. Next naman is yan. Sabi sa inyo ba yung mali ang pagkakano. And then, this is another page. Si teacher ulit. Where she's talking about... she's asking if they're already done on the assignment, the activities that she have given. And the next week, because they will having a photo exhibit where there'll be a winner pala. Na magkakaroon ng, Tagalog na lang kasi. English kasi na English eh. Magkakaroon ng exhibit. At may pinakamagandang photo pictures, image, na nakuha ay magkakaroon ng award. And the next week, Yan na yung event. Ito yung venue. Meron tayo, this is all the pictures that they took, the students took. Nakabulit sila lahat. And then, this is the background, the title of the event, Great Photo Awards. And then, stage. Next is, ayan, ito yung mismo event na dinala ng mga lots of parents and students. Ayan, same goes. Ayan yung kaninang booth, mga pictures. And then, ito yung background, kanina din. And then, these are some pictures. And then, you see this one? Yes, that one. Yeah, that was the picture ng nanalo. And, I'll color that red. Alam mo yung parang nakataklob na, ano. Basta yung pang-cover na red. Yan, yan yan. And then, tiyara, ito na last page. Saan, in-award na nga, na, ito si Anna, okay guys. Nakalimutan ko lang. Parang nag-mature siya, parang ibang tao na to. Pero I'll make her look like Anna later on. So yun, that's all. You'll see na lang later. Soft ano siya guys.
Ayan. Wala lang sa kasi. Pauwi ka na to. Nasa gitna na. Nasa gitna na.
Parang si Velma. Velma is Scooby-Doo guys. Velma nga to eh. Guys, look. It's Velma. She's Velma. Dapat pala, para tong si Fred slash Daphne. Tapos to si Scooby slash Fred. Fred pa pala. Fred. Sino yung isa? Siya mahal mo siya. Real world feels like a shooting star. I'm on the edge of my emotion. Oh, they're like couples. No, they're not. Hindi sila couple. They just both have pants. Same brand. Ano pa ng brand? It's Alice Clothing Shop.
What?
Her clothes will be colors. I like it mint green. Oh, no, it's yellow. It's going to be yellow. Just like her hair. Bro, they look like a cartoon character. Velma from Scooby-Doo. I don't know, you guys think. I don't know where this guy came from. This will be... No, it's not Kara. It is from Legally Blonde. Legally Blonde? No, not Legally Blonde. Si ano? Ano yung si Cher? Si Cher. Cher! What do you think you're wearing? Skirt. Ano yun? The dress. Dress. Ano yun? Dress. That's why I Calvin Klein. You go upstairs and something. I'm just going up to. I'm just going up to the door. Something like that. I love that movie. It's giving clean. It's giving passion. I love it so much. And then go to details now. Kabundukan. I don't know what color, but we'll making sure that it's light. Is this light? Maybe blue. So I'll make you different kind of blue here. So yun. Let's make color na. Guys, ano yan? Ano to? Okay, so. Let's eat first. Close up. Sobrang dumi. Hindi naman ako. Hindi naman ako. Yan, dahil naka-like and subscribe ka na. Hala. Mas malinaw na image na ang makikita mo. That's the first one. Ito naman ang sunod. Sabi sa inyo magiging brown hair yan. Black. Black ba sinabi ko sa kanya kanina? Hindi ko tanda. Then, ito sino nga to? Si Cher. Si Velma pa siya dito. Mamaya pa siya. Ito naman si Velma. Ito si Velma. Ito si Daphne pa. Si Daphne pa siya dyan. Ito, para siyang waiter. Hindi ko yan kilala. Next! Taran! Diba? Ang cute. Dalaga na si Velma ay dalaga na. Ang sabi niya ay, Yan ang kanyang pipicturean. Next. Sino ang pipiliin ko? Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Ano ba iiralin ko? Isipan mo ang puso ko. Dug. Dahil naliko'y litong. Sinong pipiliin ko? Ikaw. Mahal ko o mahal ako? Turun.